What's the meaning of clumsiness? Clumsiness. Clumsiness.
Clumsiness. Clumsiness. Clumsiness refers to a lack of coordination or skill that results in awkward or ungraceful movements. This condition often leads to accidents or mistakes, and may cause embarrassment or frustration for the person experiencing it. Clumsiness can be caused by various factors including physical impairment, psychological conditions, or lack of practice or training. In severe cases, clumsiness may interfere with daily activities or even lead to injury. However, with proper attention, treatment, and practice, many individuals can improve their coordination and reduce the impact of clumsiness on their lives.